Chinese company Sinovac Biotech Ltd. Is delaying the release of the results of a Phase 3 clinical trial of its CCP virus vaccine until January. Before that, Sinovac had delayed its announcement twice, which raised questions about the effectiveness of the vaccine. Sinovac's COVID-19 vaccine, Coronavac, is in Phase 3 clinical trials in Brazil, Indonesia, and Turkey. Brazil was the first to complete the tests, but Sinovac has repeatedly delayed the release of the results. According to a December 26th VOA report, Sinovac's partner in Brazil, Butantan Institute, previously claimed that the results of the Phase 3 trial could be released by mid-December. But João Doria, the governor of Brazil's São Paulo, said in mid-December that the results of the Phase 3 trial would be released on December 23rd. The date has since been pushed back again to January. The institute said Sinovac would need another 15 days to publish the results, citing the need to integrate data from trials in Turkey and Indonesia, which raised questions about the effectiveness of the vaccine. During a live broadcast on social media platforms, Brazilian President Bolsonaro once again said that the efficacy of the Sinovac vaccine seems to be very low. Bolsonaro has repeatedly expressed his distrust of the Chinese vaccine and said, "The Brazilian people won't be anyone's guinea pig."
巴西的初步的实验的结果，可能官方已经得到一部分的数据。
The preliminary results of the Brazilian experiment may have been part of the official data, which may be far from 90%. That's why the Brazilian president said that the efficacy of the vaccine seems to be very low. He must be comparing it with Moderna and Pfizer. So in this regard, I think it may also be another reason why Sinovac wants to delay the release of the December data. They may be waiting for the data from Turkey or somewhere else. Sometimes the data from several places will be integrated together and readjusted to look a little better.
我看到土耳其的研究人员在12月24号的时候已经透露。
I observed that the Turkish researchers revealed on December the 24th that the effectiveness of Sinovac's vaccine was about 91%, but the results of the Turkish test were based on a small sample of 29 cases of COVID-19 infections. So it's impossible to draw a convincing conclusion about the effectiveness of the vaccine with such results.
In an interview with CBN Radio on the evening of the 24th, São Paulo State Health Minister Jean Gorinstein revealed that the protection of the Sinovac vaccine is less than 90%, which is not comparable to the Moderna vaccine in the United States, nor to the vaccine developed by Pfizer and the German biotech company BioNTech. The basic threshold set by the Brazilian National Health Surveillance Agency, Anvisa, is above 50%.
虽然过了50%的一个有效性的门槛，但是好像总的有效性应该是不太高。
Although the threshold of 50% effectiveness was passed, the overall effectiveness seems not very high. If the preliminary Phase 3 results in Brazil had been as effective as they claimed in Turkey, according to the way the CCP government acts, I'm sure they would have made the results widely known even if they were only from a small sample of COVID-19 infections.
Dr. Sean Lin, the former virology researcher at the United States Army Medical Research Institute of Infectious Diseases, USAMRIID, pointed out that the main problem is that Sinovac's Phase 3 clinical trial in Brazil has only been conducted for 6 months, which is still relatively short.
If its entire Phase 3 clinical trial was only given the time of half a year, I think it's still too short, not enough to see how effective this vaccine really is. Preliminary data on Sinovac's Phase 3 clinical data hasn't been published before. Now the key question is whether it will publish partial or complete data in 15 days. I think this is still the most crucial question.
The CCP officially launched an emergency use program for the CCP virus vaccine in July. According to Reuters, at least tens of thousands of people have been vaccinated with the Sinovac vaccine.
中国的新冠疫苗紧急使用计划从今年7月就开始实施了。
China's emergency use program for the COVID-19 vaccine has been in place since July of this year. with absolutely no data to support the safety and efficacy of the vaccine. To date, hundreds of thousands of people may have been vaccinated with this vaccine, without safety and efficacy assurances. Also, we haven't seen any systemic tracking of the results. To put it mildly, the Chinese health authorities are deliberately failing in their duty. To put it more seriously, the Chinese government has a complete disregard for human life.
Despite this, Chinese authorities are further expanding the vaccination population. Chinese media reported that many places in Shanghai, Shanxi, and Shenzhen have recently started vaccination against the CCP virus and will also provide vaccination for people leaving the country. Due to the new restrictions on social media, our channel may be affected. If you would like to stay tuned to our channel and to receive notifications and updates, please provide us with your email by clicking the link below. Thank you for your support.